In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Robinhood's advanced charts and key technical indicators to make more informed trading decisions. Whether you're a beginner or just looking to improve your charting skills, I'll guide you through each step to help you analyze stocks and ETFs like a pro. First, let's start by heading over to Robinhood.com. If you aren't already, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. Once you're inside your dashboard, you can search for any stock or exchange-traded fund that you're interested in. Just type the name or ticker symbol into the search bar at the top of the page and select it from the drop-down menu. This will open the detail page for that stock or ETF. Now, to access more powerful charting tools, look for the link to Advanced Charts. Once you click on it, you'll get a much more detailed view of the stock's price movements over time. Here's where you can really dive into technical analysis by adding different indicators that traders commonly use. Let's go ahead and add some key indicators. Find the Indicators button on your chart and give it a click. A menu will appear with various indicator options. For this walkthrough, let's focus on a few of the most popular ones: the Moving Average, Relative Strength Index, or RSI, and the MACD. Just select each option in turn and you'll see them appear right on your chart, overlaying important signals. You'll also want to make sure you're looking at the right time frame, depending on the type of trading or analysis you're interested in. You can switch between daily, weekly, monthly, 3-month, or even yearly views by choosing the appropriate button near your chart. Adjusting the time frame gives you a broader or more detailed perspective of trends and helps you decide if a stock is moving in a direction you like. Now, let's talk about interpreting these indicators. For a trend-following approach, many traders look at the moving average. A common strategy is to consider buying when the current price is above the moving average, which usually suggests an upward trend. Conversely, if the price falls below that average, it can be a signal to consider selling. Next, the RSI is all about momentum. You might look to buy if the RSI drops below 30, as that often means the stock is oversold and could bounce back. On the other hand, if the RSI rises above 70, that can mean it's overbought and may be due for a pullback. So that could be a good time to sell, or at least take some caution. Another useful tool is the MACD, which looks at the relationship between different moving averages. When the MACD line crosses above its signal line, it's often seen as a buying opportunity. If it crosses below, that might be a signal to sell. Finally, to keep on top of potential trading opportunities without constantly watching your screen, you can set up alerts. Just click the bell or alert icon you'll find on the chart. From there, you can create alerts based on price targets, percentage changes, or even specific indicator values like those we discussed. Once you've set your criteria, just click Create Alert and Robinhood will notify you when your chosen conditions are met. And that's it. With these tips, you can make better use of Robinhood's advanced charts and technical indicators to spot trends, measure momentum, and manage your trades more effectively. Happy trading!